Okay, look, the clock is ticking and I'm challenging you to make $10,000 in the next 30 days. I'm serious. This is not a drill. This is not something to just think about and move on from. This is your chance to actually prove to yourself that you're capable of more, to use the summertime to your advantage. Maybe no one's ever challenged you like this before, but I'm doing it now. Because if you don't try something different, you're going to stay stuck. And I don't want that for you. So let me back up a little bit and tell you why I even care and why you should even listen to me in the first place. A few years ago, I only had about $400 in my bank account. That's it. No backup, no savings, no rich family to bail me out. I was broke, I was stressed, I was scared. I came from a lower middle class family where we didn't grow up with much. Bills were always a problem. Fighting in the house was normal. Vacations, we didn't really have those. It was just survival mode all the time. But by the time I turned 21, I had my first $1,000 a day online. And it didn't happen because I was some kind of genius and I invented some revolutionary app or I invested in the stock market for decades. Obviously not. And it's not because I knew the right people. I knew no one. I just made a decision to stop watching life pass me by and actually do something about it. I started an online business and in this video, I'll explain everything. Look, I'm not a guru. I don't even have 10k subs right now. I'm just someone who started off being broke and finally got angry enough to change. And I want to help you do the same. But the first thing you need to understand is this. Most people don't fail because they're stupid or lazy. They fail because they don't take action. They think too much. They plan and keep waiting for the perfect moment, but it never comes. They tell themselves they need to do more research or think about it more before they start. They convince themselves that maybe next week is better. And in the process, they waste years of their life doing absolutely nothing. Let me put it simply. Thinking too much is the thing that's holding you back. The truth is, doing something badly is better than doing nothing at all. You don't need the perfect plan. You don't need everything to go smoothly. You just need to move. Because you have to realize that every day you spend overthinking is another day you're not moving forward, not making money. You've got to get out of your own head and into action. That's where the real change and where the real money happens. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Now look, we've got to talk about your comfort. Now what do I mean by that? People get comfortable with their lives even when they're miserable because they know it, so it feels safe. You might hate your job. You might tolerate the pay, but you want more. You might feel stuck in your current situation, but you tell yourself, I'm fine. You tolerate it. You get used to the pain. You tell yourself, oh, it could be worse, and that's the trap. That's the reason most people never grow. They stay in the same spot for years, not because they're happy, but because they're scared of what's on the other side of change. They're scared of what it takes to get there. You have to get to a place where staying the same hurts way more than doing something new. That is when everything shifts, and that's when you start to make more money than you ever thought possible. Look, I'll be honest with you. I know what it's like to hit rock bottom. I've slept in a rat-infested basement. I've gone through summers sweating in my underwear because we had no air conditioning. We had nothing to do, so that's it. I've sat there with barely any money, no plan, no hope, just frustration and fear. I grew up in a home where things were loud and they got violent and messy sometimes, and so that was my norm. But even then, there was a little voice in the back of my head that says, this can't be it. This can't be the whole story. There's more to life than just that. And eventually, I started to listen to that voice more and more, and that belief pushed me to act. And when I started taking action, everything started to change. Here's the truth that most people don't want to admit. The people who win in life aren't always the smartest. They're just the ones who move the fastest. People who take action win. People who wait and hesitate and overthink lose. It's as simple as that. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Waiting for the perfect time is just a clever way of procrastinating. Perfectionism is fear wearing a mask. It's your brain trying to protect you from failure by keeping you stuck in planning mode. Don't fall for it. So now, let's break this challenge down. How do you actually make $10,000 in 30 days? It's not some complicated formula. I'm going to walk you through 3 simple steps. Step 1 is getting attention. This means getting people to notice you and what you're selling. Because if nobody sees what you're doing and selling, they simply can't buy from you. It's obvious, no? Think about it like a lemonade stand. If you set up your lemonade stand in your backyard where no one walks by, you're not going to make any money. But if you move that stand to a busy corner where people are walking past all day long, now you've got a real chance to make real money. That is where the traffic is. Traffic is just people seeing your offer. You can get traffic by making content online, like videos or blog posts. You can get it by messaging people directly who could be interested in your offer. Or you can even run simple paid ads if you have the budget for it. But the point is, people need to know you exist. That's the first step. Step 2 is selling something high value. You're not trying to sell $10 items here. You're trying to sell something that helps people to solve a real problem and that you can charge a lot of money for, between $1,000 to $10,000. Think about things people really care about: their health, their money, their relationships, their mindset. If you can help someone to lose weight, make more money, fix their relationship, get over an addiction, feel more confident, or save time, they won't pay you for that. You don't need to sell to 1,000 people. You just need a few people to pay you well. If you sell something for $2,000 and 5 people buy it, that's $10,000 right there. Just 5 clients. That's it. Step 3 is delivering results. This is where people usually freak out. They say, but I don't have skills. Well, that's fine. You don't need to do everything yourself. You can be the one who connects people to the solution. You can hire freelancers or contractors online to help you deliver the service. You act like the boss, not the worker. Think like a CEO. A CEO doesn't do all the work. They make sure the work gets done. If you help someone get results, they don't care if it's just you doing it or your team. They just want the results. And if you don't know how to do something, go learn it or partner with someone who does. There's always a way. Now, let me talk about one big idea that changed my life. There's 2 types of people in this world: producers and consumers. Producers make money, consumers spend money. Most people spend their whole days consuming, watching shows, scrolling through apps like social media, playing video games. And there's nothing wrong with these activities, but there's a ratio. If you consume most of the time, you can't wonder why you're broke. You've got to become a producer. That means you create things, you solve problems, you sell things, you build, you take action. That's when you get paid. You can still have fun. You can still watch shows and play games, but only do it after you've earned it. I do these things, but work first, then play. And this is the best part. You don't need to know everything. You don't need to be the most skilled person. You just need to know how to bring people together. Just look at the biggest companies in the world. Most of the time, with the exception of Amazon-built products, Amazon doesn't make the products. Airbnb doesn't own the homes. Uber doesn't own the cars. They connect people. You can do the same thing. You can find people who've got a problem and you connect them to a solution. You take a cut. That's how real money is made online now. You're not doing all the work. You're building systems. You're thinking bigger. And all of this matters for a deeper reason. It's not just about the money. It's about what the money gives you. Money gives you time. It gives you peace of mind. It gives you choices. It lets you help your family. It lets you escape toxic situations. It lets you travel and actually enjoy your life. It gives you room to breathe. It lets you live life instead of surviving. That's what this is really about. Your vision for your life has to be bigger than your fear. Your why has to be stronger than your excuses. So you've got 30 days. That's 4 weeks. That's just 1 month. You can either be sitting in the same exact spot next month, feeling frustrated, broke, tired, and full of regret, or you could be $10,000 richer, more confident, and finally on the path to something real. You don't need to ask anyone else for permission. It's your decision. You don't need to wait for someone to come and save you, because if you do, you won't wait forever. The only question is, are you in or are you out? Now, if you're serious about becoming financially free this year, click the link in the description below, because I've made a video where I'm explaining how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit. You can also book a free strategy call with me or a member of my team, and we'll help you come up with a custom game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less with my method. But be quick, because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. And soon, we'll take that video down. So click on the link in the description, watch the quick video, book your call, and with that said, I'll see you on the other side.